Okay, start ng road trip. Yes, this is an old car. It's a 2007 Toyota Camry. Ito yung hindi 2.5, 3.5Q V6. And currently, naka 35 kilometers na ako sa last na full tank ko. That's from Marikina to QC to ikot-ikot lang. Tapos, average ko is 5.4 kilometers per liter. Ngayon, nahaluan natin siya ng isang part 1 ng fuel consumption test ko is papuntang Laguna, Santa Rosa. Then, measure natin kung ilan yung mako-consume na fuel. And then, from Laguna back to QC, ilan ulit. So, 2 parts para malaman natin yung mixed fuel consumption ng highway and city. And then, yung almost purely highway lang. Let's go, baby! Paulan. Malibela. Okay, ngayon ay nandito na tayo sa ating destination, which is yung Fullerton Suites. Si Kuya pa full tank ng V-Power gasoline. Thank you. Wait natin ng mga 10 seconds tapos isa pang automatic. Sige pa, ano ulit. Okay. Thank you. 14.22 liters. Okay, current odometer is 62,363. Tapos ang quantity is 14.22. Ang price per liter is 81.10 cents. Ang octane is 95. Fuel brand Shell V-Power. Shell Sound Forbes. Tapos save natin yan. Okay, so sabi kanina is 7 kilometers per liter. Ang tamang computation is 7.17. So accurate naman yung trip computer natin. Ngayon testing naman natin yung full highway. .6 kilometers per liter. Pero yung one full tank 7. Pa-automatic pa nga ulit. Pa-automatic pa ulit.
Wala pa sila man.
Isa pa. Okay. Thank you. 3.88. Okay, ganun ulit. Gamitin natin ulit yung Simply Auto. 62,410. 62,410. Quantity 3.38. Ang price per liter, mas mura dito. 95 V-Power Shell C5 tapos save. Okay, so sabi kanina 13.8 yung fuel consumption natin. Ang computation is 13.91 sa highway. Not bad. Okay, in summary, ang fuel consumption natin kanina is 7.17 kilometers per liter sa city plus highway. Pag pure highway naman, 13.91 kilometers per liter. Ang total distance traveled natin is 149 kilometers. Ang total fuel used is 14.22 plus 3.38, so 17.6 liters. Ang total niyan kapag kinumpit mo yung buong biyahe natin na 149 kilometers is 8.47 kilometers per liter. Bale, around 60-70% nun is highway driving. Yun, medyo matraffic kasi dun sa Marikina nung una kong ginamit yung kotse. Pero kung city driving, medyo malakas talaga sa gas ang 3.5 liter V6. In contrary, kapag naman sa highway, since medyo relaxed siya kapag mabilis ang takbo mo, matipid siya sa gas. And itong kotse ko is not stock tuned. So, naka-ECU tune siya, naka-remap. So, instead na 268 horsepower na stock ang power niya, it puts out around 300 horsepower according to the previous owner. And bukod doon, naka-racing air filter din siya, pero stock ang exhaust. And yun, if you want a car or a Camry that's a little bit more economical when it comes to fuel consumption, you should opt for the 2.4 or 2.5 liter version. Personally kasi, gusto ko na ng V6 or 6 cylinders kasi halos lahat na naging kotse ko is either 3 or 4 cylinders. So sabi ko gusto ko naman matry yung naka V6 or straight 6 kaso wala akong nakuhang straight 6 na BMW, pero gusto ko tong 3.5 V6 ng Toyota. And yan yung naging fuel consumption niya sa test natin. And ayun, thank you for watching this video. If you were able to watch the video up to this point, please consider subscribing, like, comment, and share na rin para makatulong sa ibang mga naghahanap ng ganitong kotse. Tapos, share nyo na rin yung experience nyo sa fuel consumption ng kotse nyo, kung gaano ka tipid or gaano kalakas sa gas. Kung mga 2.4, 2.5 liter, yung mga naunang versions, yung XV20, XV30, and yung mga newer versions din naman. Hopefully, makasali ako sa mga car meet at makita ko rin yung mga magagandang version ng Camry or magandang setup ng Camry. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, God bless.